time to meet our hilarious hero from Phantom Heroes. Meet Snorman! That's right, Snorman can hear super well. But guess what? Only snoring sounds. Imagine hearing every snuffle, snort, and snore in the city. Now that's some super hearing, all right. When trouble's afoot, Snorman is there in a jiffy, listening closely for those sleepy bad guys. With a cape made of fluffy pillows and a sidekick who's a bedtime storybook, Snorman is ready to face any challenge with a giggle and a yawn. Get ready for some laugh-out-loud moments and snuggle up for some snoring fun with Snorman. Subscribe to Phantom Heroes for more amazing superheroes and their extraordinary powers.